Viennese Waltz. Most of the people think there are only 3 figures in this dance.
But in reality, it's very different. We have 12 figures in syllabus of the Viennese Waltz.
So in this video, we're going to share these figures.
When we're talking about Viennese Waltz, most of the time people think about 3 figures: natural turn, change step forward, and reverse turn. But let's take a look at this one more time. If we're going to do 4 times natural turn, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Then man going to take change step forward on the right foot. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do reverse turn. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. And then other change step forward on the left foot. 1, 2, 3. And we're ready to do natural turn. So we have not 3 figures, but we have 2 different types of change step. Change step forward on the right and change step forward on the left. Altogether, already we have 4 figures.
Now, let's see what is figure number 5 and number 6.
If we're going to take natural turn, not 4 times, but only 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. And now man going to take step, change backward on the left. 1, 2, 3. After that, we're able to dance a reverse turn, and we're going to dance it 2 times. Then we're going to take change step backward on the right foot, and ready to continue with the second half of the natural turn. So now we have figure number 5 and number 6. It's a change step backward for man on the left foot and change step backward for man on the right foot. So we have natural, reverse turn, and 4 different types of change step. 2 change step backward and 2 change step forward. And our next figure, figure number 7, hesitation, change. We're going to do 3 times our natural turn. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, hesitation, 4, 5, 6. And start reverse turn. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. So figure number 7 is a hesitation change. And figure number 8, natural spin turn. And we're going to do 3 natural turns. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. And now we're going to do natural spin. 1, 2, 3, and continue with the natural turn again. And next figure, figure number 9, is the left whisk. We're going to do 1 reverse turn and left whisk after that.
And what are figures number 10, 11, and 12?
It will be a combination of reverse Fleckerl, contra check, and natural Fleckerl. Reverse Fleckerl. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Contra check. 1, 2, 3. Natural Fleckerls. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching this video. We have more information about Viennese Waltz. All the videos are linked in the description.